Good morning, 8th class. Next chapter we will discuss is chapter number 8, cell structure and function. There are millions of living and non-living things around us. Some are big and other are small. So most of these are made of the group of smaller things. For example, residential society is collection of many buildings. A building is collection of floors. Classroom is collection of students. Team is collection of players. Everything it means made up of the small units. Small units will combine together to form bigger unit. Similarly, smallest unit of matter is atom, and the smallest unit of living organism in biology is a cell. So in this chapter we will discuss about the various cell shape, size, number, structure, function, organelles, various types of cell and how they growth. Cell is the most basic structural unit of living being. Just like a wall is made of bricks. How wall is made? It is made by starting the bricks. Similarly, cells together to form the body of every organism. It means cell will combine to form the body of organism. Thus the cell is defined as, definition of cell, smallest structural and functional unit of the organism. Smallest structural and functional unit of the organism is called cell. How cells are discovered? Cells are discovered by the Robert Hooke in 1665. He discovered the cell for the first time. He observed the thin slices of the cork, which is a part of bark of a tree. See here in the image, cork cells are first observed by the Robert Hooke under a simple magnifying glass. He studied the same slice under a microscope and he observed the partitioned boxes or compartments like the honeycomb, and which compartments he named as smallest box he named as cells. The boxes or cells in the cork are actually dead cell. They are the dead cells. So all the information on the cells is given by the Robert Hooke by the discovery, and together with the various scientists they gave the cell theory, combining the scientists like Schleiden, Schwann. These scientists developed the cell theory, that what is cell made up of and how it arises. Clear?